alright no mention in years and para polo nyame advice kam mazantere nir kam wonye tutudu wana nira kabe social media pangay man ka sur social media ma wisely tinyare tinbiane kanyar non polo ben sur social media sha betyengo so kam kum de la followers so jan follow aka follow ma ba cover me the reason why on my followers so kam forcer me nya TikTok ni na ma de zen so kam nya content creators TikTok yim na nete share your followers, we got to see your viewers, got to see your consumers. Those are so come and create the content. You try and I in a Facebook ghost names ma akwen yam come on ya. Banun ku yina to ku valeji kama ka o mi ben yishel na. They have no idea about it. Kanela ya manzan le va like spam. Do cause because of on cat here there to our me kama bungo is a hot cake ka be here there to a cartoon over here to a share den o here to a share den den ye den ma bon comment so whether the VLB the VL the chama be the chama bland lo ku yarme so den opportunity will do so kabwa sanity certain ordinance on social media and kama kon mente daya mene dagban forum as a dagbambla and as of the basit culture mame trier to ashele dagbang youth association anyama ngwa di pantile lamba jango kanen korgonyama so I'm part of the youth come a suggestion I would have liked at the next dambadin yanwa ne any other project din kanaka ne dagbang project ne be it is a show is a something ka tinye daya ka ba worker kama di tinye lergo ka ba worker shama I want to see an initiative from Dagbang Forum or Daya Karkujaya. Dagbang Forum yina ne wotun wote Dagbang Dambang mani an kanama Daya nung laben shi akarjaya. We are doing something from investors like Daya nung Karakunya Tinyar Karpa always because the last time that I need there Vagwana Kanda Nyaba Katlen Yaba then next thing Karanya Vagwa Timikuto pa Daya Dagbang Youth Association Karniera Kubazo Kata Palaminde Vamelzo the 2 minute Baraka development Bavian. So I would like to see Daya as a member of the Dagbang Youth Association suggest me. Let us see you work innovations, improvement at a near kama creativity here na Dagbang Forum the year not Daya Funakatunya. This is what Daya Nian non here until your posters can shout no big coming from there. Besha no big coming from the Dagbang Forum. But we shouldn't see you tartinya la kama. Tito kwenye ya to be inside chana mo no ma ngara bima. To be inside Dagbang bima bi mvole ba gwema. Do konko like the Vietpam. In your na la kuba ma shama Vietpam bet ka kubulu ma konye Dagbang zo. Like innovations mean inventions by year na daya fune. So ti de la ma de Vietpam kayen yella si to an actors zazane pahan solo as Daya is concerned Dagbang Forum is concerned Dagbang nye first Dagbang me nye first ma tenen da